Not every cash advance app requires a traditional salaried job. Several apps are designed to work with gig workers, freelancers, contractors, and users who receive qualifying deposits from different income sources instead of a fixed paycheck. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 cash advance apps that may be available without a traditional salary requirement, and what each one checks before approving an advance. First is Earnin. Earnin doesn't require users to have a salaried position, but it does require proof of recurring earnings. Depending on how you work, the app may verify income through linked bank deposits or supported work information. Before applying, make sure your income history is consistent, because that plays a bigger role than your job title. Next is Indave. Dave provides small cash advances for eligible users based on account activity and qualifying deposits rather than whether you're a salaried employee. Freelancers and gig workers may qualify if they meet the app's eligibility requirements. Linking your primary spending account gives the app a better picture of your cash flow. Third is in Clio. Clio analyzes your connected bank account to determine whether you're eligible for a cash advance. The app focuses on your financial activity instead of requiring a traditional salary. Maintaining regular deposits and responsible account usage can improve your chances of qualifying over time. Fourth is MoneyLion Instacash. MoneyLion offers cash advances to eligible users after reviewing linked account activity and recurring deposits. Income from self-employment or gig platforms may qualify if it meets the app's requirements. Review the eligibility details inside the app before expecting a specific advance amount. Finally, there's Empower. Empower evaluates your banking history, cash flow, and recurring deposits when determining eligibility for a cash advance. Instead of requiring a salaried employer, the app looks for evidence that you have ongoing income and can repay future advances. Keeping your account active and avoiding frequent overdrafts may support eligibility. One thing to remember is that no salary requirement doesn't mean no income requirement. Legitimate cash advance apps still evidence evidence that money is coming into your account on a regular basis. They use that information to estimate whether you'll be able to repay the advance. To sum up, Earnin, Dave, Clio, MoneyLion Instacash, and Empower can all work for eligible users who don't have a traditional salaried job, but each app has its own approval process. Compare the eligibility requirements before signing up, connect the account where you receive regular deposits, and only borrow what you can comfortably repay. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos covering the best financial apps for 2026.